Hi Rosemary, how are you?
Hi Johnny, fine thanks. We're still here at home complying with the quarantine and sanitary measure imposed by the government.
Yes, my family and me too. What do you think about the coronavirus? Do you know anything about that?
Sure, I know it's a very contagious disease and it is spread through close contact. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and extreme tiredness, although other symptoms can also occur since each person reacts differently to this disease.
Yes, it is a very complicated situation, especially for people who are overweight or have pre-existing disease, such as asthma, diabetes, some other respiratory disease, etc.
The worst thing is that currently there is not effective cure, but the treatment applied for now is isolation, good nutrition, and taking some pain relievers and to relieve the most severe symptoms.
I agree. For now, it only remains to take all the hygiene and health safety measures to avoid getting the virus as such as possible, and thus protect the most vulnerable family members at home, like children and the elderly.
By the way, OMS developed exercise tips for people in quarantine. For example, they recommended going out for a walk while respecting the measure. What do you know about that?
Yes, I also read that they recommended eating healthy and avoiding consuming alcoholic beverage and smoking cigarettes.
Do you think the cure for coronavirus will be found soon by scientists and virologists around the world?
It is very difficult, at least for now. I think finding the cure and creating the vaccine is going to take a long time. But in the meantime, more drugs will be discovered to control the disease more efficiently.
It's true. It's still necessary to know what the real origin of the disease is. So certainly this will be a very long process and real challenge for scientists, doctors, and others involved in this difficult task.
Surely, here in Peru, our healthcare system has collapsed as a result of this pandemic. Many people are dying without being able to be cared for and even without knowing if they really had the disease, since the tests are also very scarce and the results take too long to be given.
That is a big problem. All clinics and hospitals are full, and now it's very difficult to find hospital beds and ICU beds. That is the main challenge that our health system is facing now.
Yes, and this is happening mainly because people are no longer respecting quarantine. Many people are having financial difficulties, and the fact of being unable to work has affected many people in the country.
Some people are very selfish and think only of themselves, but others are having a really hard time. And unfortunately, government bonds are not reaching all the people who are really needing.
Uh, hopefully this will end very soon.
I hope so too. Well, I will talk you later. Take care. Bye.
Okay, bye.